Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable the camera timer on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So the first thing that we need to do is of course access the camera. Let's open the camera app. Now over here we have this icon where if we tap on it then we will see different numbers. So right now it is set to 3, now it's on 10, and now it's disabled. We can also tap on this arrow over here in the middle in order to open all of these settings, and here is the same thing. We can set the timer to 3 or 10 seconds, or we can completely disable it. And if we switch to video, then unfortunately the timer for video doesn't work. Same goes with the time lapse, it's not there. So it is accessible or available in the photo mode. On portrait it is also visible, so if we try to make a portrait then that's fine. We can also set the timer. For the night mode it is also available, and in all of these cases we can set 3 or 10 seconds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.